Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your Chatbase chatbot to a website in 2026. Whether you're running a business website, an online store, or a personal blog, integrating your chatbot is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, select the AI agent you want to publish on your website. Next, open the *connect** or embed ** section. Here you'll find different integration options for your chatbot. Choose the website embed option to continue. Now, copy the JavaScript embed code generated by Chatbase. This code is what allows your chatbot to appear and function on your website. After that, open your website's dashboard or source code and paste the embed code before the closing ** body * tag. If you're using a platform like WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or Webflow, paste the code into the custom code or site settings section, depending on your platform. Once you've saved your changes, refresh your website and confirm that the chatbot appears correctly. Test it by asking a few questions to make sure it's responding as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added your Chatbase chatbot to your website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.